These ceiling tiles are made of PVC plastic. Not only are they quite realistic, they're also much lighter in weight, far easier to cut, and more affordable than metal tiles. Tiles are cut by transferring measurements to the back, using a straight edge to draw a cut line, then cutting the tiles using a pair of heavy-duty scissors. The tiles are glued to the ceiling using a high-tack, high-strength, water-based adhesive like this one. Nickel-sized dollops are placed in the field, and a small bead is run around the outside edges. The tile is then pressed into position. For the perimeter tiles, the cut edge is placed against the wall, and the factory edge is aligned with the chalk line we drew earlier. This ceiling tile incorporates an overlapping edge design. The factory edge of the tile being installed is placed on top of the tab or lip of the tile already in place. Although the adhesive we are using grabs quickly, at the same time it also allows for the tile to be moved sideways and adjusted for proper alignment. Once the last full tile in a run has been put into place, then cut the perimeter tile to fit the remaining space. Installing full tiles in the field goes quite quickly. The adhesive has adequate set time to allow one person to work alone. However, the job will go even faster with two people, one applying adhesive and the other placing the tiles in position.